Hi guys, welcome back to the episode. It just seems a long time ago since we've done a edited video. Today, obviously I'm not in it because I'm fasting, is a 2 litre soda chug challenge. It's going to be different from the one I did, which has got the most, our biggest video, which is nearly 5,000 views. They've got to chug out the bottle and not out of a glass. I want to see who does it the quickest. Are you ready, guys?
No, laptop's just... Okay, it's carrying on.
Okay. Are you ready?
No.
You go. Add on. You can't do the lid. Like the rules of the game is you got to just go chug it and see does it the quickest. Okay.
Are we going to stop our 5 minutes?
You can't
You
stop.
need to stop for a breath. Okay,
You can. We have a breath. What do you know?
And a burp.
I'll allow you to breathe. Okay. Are you ready?
Just
Get ready with the timer.
do this. Right. Just to show we've actually got a timer, we'll show it at the end.
Are you ready?
What's that?
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh.
Oh, this brings back memories. This does.
Oh yeah. Fizz. Oh, yeah. You should have been in this, Bubba. It's going to be a burp fest.
Oh, I'm so glad I'm not doing this. The last time I did this, I was hurling.
I can smell the burps from here. Mark's goofy.
Yeah, a little bit came back up with that there. We're about equal right now.
Not yet, Luna. Wait a minute.
See, it's alright at first when you're doing it. It's when you start getting halfway through the bottle. That's when it's...
You can't tell
I
what
am
they are
halfway
with
through
the
the bottle.
labels on.
Yeah, you're beating me at a minute.
Can you get the labels on?
That reminds me of, you know, me one time when burping coming down the thing.
Oh. If you're going to hurl, you can pick the bucket up.
I'm that way. I don't want to see.
Mark's got...
2/3 down. What was it, Beulah?
You just fart.
I'm taking a moment just so I don't be sick.
Oh, that's good for the channel, eh, Bob?
Yeah, but we've only got one bucket.
Shared bucket. Got an hole in it.
Yeah, much. Got the other bucket. No, not yet.
Yeah.
Some more burps are coming.
I don't know. I don't know.
It's good job I'm holding onto this
A piece of
tripod.
Well, I do need to spit though. Oh, lovely. Splash back. Flames for days.
Stuff into pieces.
We're all going in the fizzy pot for a bit.
Oh, God.
So, how are you feeling?
That's it.
Full. Oh, sugar's got a burps out now.
I wouldn't struggle to get the burps out because what happens after that is yeah.
Hey,
Yeah.
like I said, just breathing lets some of the gas out. Oh, Oh, God. I'm currently at where it shows the energy levels.
You're making me feel sick watching.
Quick break. That was 60% of the moment.
He's knocked down. I feel his.
You're slightly behind. Where I bet your mum yet.
I remember once with Craig, he was drinking the 2 litre bottle of water thing and a squirrel was there, he went up his out his nose.
The phlegm came back up. Oh, my teeth.
Horrible. Darling.
You don't bark.
It's again at your
Nah,
time.
I don't need it. Oh,
What time are you on?
4:52. But we're doing it from the bottle, sir.
Nice and struggling.
I've got a baby stuck.
Same. Big breath in, that usually helps. If I take you back, you know I'll do it too hard and you'll puke.
Oh, God.
What's that? You can't eat that.
That was spicy.
I know.
Oh, Mark's going for it. As soon as you're done, Mark, press the timer.
I know. I know.
It would.
Oh no. Oh no.
I'm done.
Make sure this does not move.
Don't knock that.
Pass the timer here.
If you want to be quiet, you don't, dear. Do you want a biscuit?
Fair enough.
I'll see if it'll zoom in. There you go, 5 minutes, 34 seconds. How you feeling?
Biscuit, Luna.
Crap.
Gassy.
Gassy.
I can't even lean forward.
Yeah.
At least there's no hurlage.
Not yet.
Just need to burp a lot now.
Yeah,
Was it easy to do?
At the bottom now.
relatively.
Remember the last time you did it with me? And I did mine in 4 minutes 30. We did it at glasses last time. Was it as easy as them? Can you
To be
remember?
fair, considering the amount of chugs we've done after that, I've learned how to do it, so yeah, it was easier.
Okay. Nice and how you feeling?
I've got a big fart and burp coming. I'll be honest.
Wow, too much information. And on that note, if you want to see us doing any more interesting videos, taste tests, challenges, you name it, different weird food combinations, please drop us a comment down below, and Storm's in between my tripods. Thanks, Storm. Like, share, subscribe and keep up with the Litre Chug, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye for now.
Bye.
Try.